Subscribe to our channel.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Expression without parameter, with single parameter, with multi-parameter. Now we are going to iterating collection using Foreach. So here I don't need to use interface, so I'm going to remove this interface concept till now. Here I'm also don't want this one line. Okay, so everything is clean. Now I am going to create one collection of list. So how we'll define here? So we can define here list. Okay, that list I want as a string. Okay, and here I'm going to give name as a anything like list. Okay, no problem. List equals to new array of list and so here I'm expecting as a type of integer, sorry, string. Okay, so here it will show you error because I have to import first of all. So list utils. Okay, so here we have defined our list. Now I have to add some values here. So how will I add the values? So list dot add, and you can define here name like Alex. Okay, Alex. Next thing same, you can change our name, or you can add some more name here. List dot add mark. So similarly you can go and add some more names. So I'm just going and adding all this name. So here change Alex and Bob. Okay, Bob. So this is a simple list that consists of 4 names. Now I need to iterate using Lambda expression. So previously, if you use simpler concept, we can use for each loop and we can easily iterate. So using Lambda expression, how we will do this one? So it's very easy. What you have to do, just use list dot for each here. For each, it will take consumer then superstring. Okay. So here we are using Lambda expression. So I will show you perfectly. So here what kind of things we can expecting here? It is name, so it is a variable, so I'm defining it is a local one. Okay, so like we can say here it is argument list. Okay, and I am calling our token arrow. Now I want my printing statement system dot out dot println. Okay, and what I can expect here, names. Okay, see here. Now if I will run, what will give output? See, now we are getting all the names: Alex, Mark, LA, Bob. So how it is doing? First we are getting confused, or some new users getting confused. So it is a list. Okay, it is a variable list dot I am using for each iteration. Okay, for each iteration I have given. So whenever you are defining for each, after that we are declaring okay what kind of things. So it is a type of a string. Okay, so here given okay name as I'm giving as a names. Okay, so names, see here you can see it is a string names. Okay, and here it is a string. Okay, given a string, and then I am giving out arrow token. Then I want to print, so system dot println, print of what do you want to print? I want to print all the name. So this name means this name. Okay, so it will go and it will call the list. Okay, so list dot for each, so for everyone then names, every string will give see the output. So this is a basic and perfect way to use list in lambda expression, or lambda expression we can usually use. So we can use also here if you want to some definitely only one name like Mark. So here you can easily see also. So next tutorial we'll see these things. Thanks guys, and please subscribe our channel.